Hi everybody, this is Tracy Bookman, owner of Homestead Roofing, and welcome to today's Wednesday Walk in the Park, where we take 3 minutes to answer your questions about roof repairs, roof replacements, and the insurance claim process. Today we're going to answer the question, will you meet my adjuster? There could be a variety of reasons why people want a roofing contractor to meet the adjuster at their house. Some of it could stem from just the inherent distrust of insurance companies that a lot of people have, and so they want someone there representing their interest because maybe the homeowner can't be at the house or something. I think this is purely my opinion. I think also a lot of it has to do with homeowners have been conditioned by roofers to expect the roofer to meet the adjuster, and I think a lot of that is because the roofer somehow thinks that he's going to be able to, I don't know, buddy up to the adjuster or sway the adjuster's opinion. A lot of times if the damage is kind of borderline, maybe the roofing contractor really doesn't believe that it's insurable damage, maybe he wants to be there to try to twist the adjuster's arm to get him to accept the claim. Those are purely opinions. Another opinion that I have is that it is fairly meaningless, pretty useless for the roofing contractor to meet the adjuster. The adjusters know what they're doing for the most part, and they really don't need a roofing contractor there trying to talk them into this or that. Sometimes an adjuster might appreciate having a contractor there, again, if the damage is kind of borderline. I've had adjusters ask me, where are you finding damage on here? Because they want to help the customer. They want to do what's right for the homeowner. But if the roofer thinks that he's going to somehow persuade the adjuster to buy a roof that doesn't need to be bought, or include things that are just fluff, the roofer really is delusional and he's not going to get anywhere with that adjuster. Well, you might be tempted to ask, well, what if the adjuster does miss things? Or what if the adjuster does deny the claim and there is insurable damage? Well, we have videos that deal with both of those things, denied claims and supplements, and we'll try to link to those at the end of this. However, that really is no problem. If the adjuster does miss things, then we just go through what's called the supplement process. We do this regularly and pretty much on every single claim. And that's just simply where we're sending our estimate along with all of our documentation, photos, all the verification of stuff that's needed that didn't get included in the claim, and we're just asking them to include that in the claim. We can either do that before the job or we can do it after the job. But either way, in my experience and in my opinion, it just is not necessary, and it is actually pointless for us as roofing contractors to go out and meet the adjuster. Like I said, the adjusters know what they're doing. They are capable of scoping the loss. In most cases, we have met with some adjusters that didn't have a clue, but that's a rarity. So under normal circumstances, we at Homestead Roofing probably will not go meet your adjuster. However, if you just really want us to do that, then we do have a form that we would ask you to sign that authorizes us to proceed with meeting with the adjuster and discussing the scope of loss with your adjuster and your insurance company. I hope that answers your question about whether or not we'll meet with your adjuster. If you've got any other questions about this topic or others, please give us a call right up here at our phone number, 719-433-6991. You can also visit our website right down here, homesteadroofingcolorado.com. We've got a ton of information out there, lots of other videos, lots of information for you. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and leave a comment in the comment section down below. We'd love to know what you thought about this video, but we also want to know, what videos do you want to see us make? What questions do you have you want to see answered here on our Wednesday Walk in the Park videos? Be sure to subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon up there so that way you get notified when we've got new videos. Until our next Wednesday Walk in the Park, I'm Tracy Bookman, owner of Homestead Roofing.